Hey you guys, it's Kaye here, and if you want to know how I went from this soggy looking fro to this beautiful, light, fluffy, curly looking fro, then stay tuned. We starting off with freshly washed and rinsed out hair, and then bam, what we gonna do, section it off, and then ooh, what? Perm rotted it up. Okay, so let's get started. So you see my hair is in 3 sections. That just makes it easier for me, and then I'm gonna just wet it up with some water, nothing special. And then I'm going to go in with Aunt Jackie's. I'm using all Aunt Jackie's products from the Flaxseed recipe line. Today, this is the Curl Maintenance Define Curling Whip. It's a lightweight moisturizer for 1B to 4A textures with argan oil and shea butter that helps soften curls and prevent dryness. All right. So you know we got to seal it in, right? Are you even natural if you don't know what a sealant is? Let me tell y'all about this sealant called Seal It Up Hydrating Sealing Butter. It got shea butter, flaxseed, avocado, castor oil, honey. It got everything in it. So we gonna be moist for days around here. And then I'm gonna just section off my hair and, detangle it with a fine tooth comb and twist it right on up. This just makes it easier for me to put it in the perm rods. Plus, I saw it on Instagram, so I wanted to try it. And then I'm just going to use some gray perm rods just because my hair is short and that's just a small size. The sizes go by the colors. And I try not to wrap my hair on top of each other. I tried to wrap it going upward on the perm rod, but my hair is short, so I could only do too much. I could only do so much. And then I'm going to just take that rubber band part and put it over the top of my hair to secure it in place. And I'm about to be tied in a minute, right? So I'm going to just show y'all how I do one more, in regular motion. It's not even in slow motion. I was just moving real slow, so it took a long time. And then I'm about to have about, 50 million perm rods in my head. And, it was just tiring. So I'm going to breathe, stretch, shake, and let it go. And bam. What? We got makeup and earrings on now? What? You killing it out here. Oh, look at that first little curl. You bouncing up in here. All right, I can't wait to see this, bro. Now we have to take out the perm rods. I didn't take them out in any type of way. So, just take them out. I can't really explain. I didn't take them out in any type of way. So I'm just going to go in and separate my hair just to prevent the gappiness. You see how gappy it was on the left. We gappy on the left side. We don't want to be gappy. So now I got to take what's that called? An afro pick. Yes. Fluff it out. Fluff it out for your life, sis. Fluff it. We don't want no gaps. Unfortunately, sometimes I still be having gaps. But, I'll be trying. So what are we doing? It's a magic trick. We are done. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you. Let me know how you feel. You see the before and after there. And we out of here. Bye-bye. Thank you for listening.